We have seen that carbon can present in everywhere, and carbon can form a long chain compound, and it can form branch chain, and also it can form a ring chain compound. So these all the different types of compound can be formed by carbon. So we have seen alkane, alkene and alkyne. So if you see that alkane, alkyne and alkene, it has only carbon and hydrogen, and it is also known as hydrocarbon. So if you see that all those hydrocarbon contains only carbon and hydrogen, if it's so, it will be having similar properties. But it is not like that. Carbon is present in everywhere. It can rule out the world. It can present in food item. It can present in plant and animals and other things also. So when you see that hydrocarbon contain hydrogen and carbon as a main ingredient. So it main constituents of hydrocarbons are hydrogen and carbon, along with some other element also combined to give the properties. So if it contain carbon and hydrogen, it will be having similar properties. But it is not like that. Different hydrocarbons have different properties. So these varieties of properties are constituted by different atom. So such atoms are called as heteroatom. So presence of other element which is present in hydrocarbon, which determine the property of a hydrocarbon, that is known as heteroatom or functional group. So carbon is a very friendly element, but carbon also form with bond with other elements such as halogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. So in a hydrocarbon chain, one or more hydrogen can be replaced. In a hydrocarbon chain, one or more hydrogen can be replaced by these elements like halogen. What are halogens? Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine are known as halogens. And oxygen, nitrogen, this can be replaced any one of the hydrogen atom and which can present in hydrocarbon. So now if you see the properties of the hydrocarbon, these substitute atom will determine the properties of the hydrocarbon such that, so when whatever you see, the valency of the carbon will be satisfied by 4 bond. In such compounds, this element replacing hydrogen is referred to as heteroatom. So if you see that alkane, or if you see that example, what is the second member of alkane? C2H6, that is ethane. So if you take that ethane and if you remove one hydrogen and if you add some other element like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, what happened to the properties? The properties of the element compound differ. The properties of the ethane differ because of the substitute atom. So such atoms are known as heteroatom. Heteroatom may be in the single atom or a group of atom. So these heteroatoms are and the group containing these are specific properties to the compound. This gives specific properties to the compound. These are known as functional group. These are known as functional group. So in your textbook, the functional group formula and name of the functional group is given. You have to practice compulsory all those formula and name of the functional group. So functional group determine the property of the hydrocarbon. Functional group determine the chemical property of the hydrocarbon. So these heteroatoms and the group containing these confer specific properties to the compound regardless of the length and nature of the carbon chain, and hence are called functional group. Some important functional group given in your textbook. Whatever you may be, if you see this, valency of the carbon will be satisfied. The functional group is attached to the carbon chain, though through this valency by replacing one hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom. So in the presence of these elements, give that is known as functional group. So in your textbook, functional group is given. If you replace a hydrogen atom and if you add chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, such type of atoms are added, that properties will be differ. So a group of atom having an extremely important role in the compound's functionality, that is known as functional group. So if you take a compound, if you add any other functional group, like that whole property of the compound will differ because of the presence of functional group. So the functional group will determine the property of the compound. So group of atom which define the properties of the compound.